They love it. It looks like an underwater garden.
We're going to make our own water lily pond.
So like plants that float on top of the water? Like lily pads?
Absolutely. And this plant here is called a water lily. They look so beautiful and their roots grow in the soil underneath the water, while the flowers and the leaves, or the lily pads, float on top of the water. Now, we've got a lot of ingredients here to make our water lily pond, so let's get planting.
We're starting with the really big bucket. We put the water lily straight into our bucket, right in the middle. And to help stop the soil from floating around in the water, you can add some gravel or rocks over the top of the soil.
Now all that's left to do is pour in some fresh water to gently fill up our beautiful water lily pond. This is the perfect spot for our water lily pond because it needs about 6 hours of direct sunlight to thrive.
It looks like an underwater garden.
And we can even add some aquatic wildlife.
So maybe like some piranhas?
I was thinking something smaller. These are Pacific blue eyes. They're native to Australia and they're great at getting rid of mozzies.
They love it.